Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Rivoli. Today is a crazy adventure. I'm traveling to Villarbasse. So currently the bus supposed to come somewhere around 6:25, and the problem is I can't wait for 6:25 because the time right now is 3:31. So I can waste all the hours up to 6. Like I can waste almost up to 3 hours up to 6 and wait for the bus. And if I do that, I'm really gonna arrive there very late, and I wouldn't be able to do the adventure that I really need to do. So what's happening right now is I'm gonna trek. I'm gonna trek like 5 kilometers all the way from Rivoli here to Villarbasse. So it's not going to be an easy adventure. This is going to be a 5 kilometer walk, guys, a 5 kilometer walk. So you remember that I did the same thing in this town, one of the town called Borgiallo. I did the same thing a few months back. So we're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to walk 5 kilometers. Let's go, guys. Look at that beautiful view. Can you see that? This is not going to be an easy adventure. Look at the view out there, These are woods. So, guys, let's start the adventure. So guys, I'm 2.8 kilometers away from Villarbasse. Yeah, let's keep walking. So these neighboring towns, or should I say the villages that are next to Villarbasse, look amazing. Yeah, nice view, beautiful trees. And I've been seeing a lot of factories around this end. Yeah, I hope you can see one again. A lot of factories around this end. Guys, let me show you some beautiful view around this end. Yeah, these are just nearby towns next to Villarbasse. We are yet to arrive. Yeah, just 2.8 kilometers. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this view. Looks beautiful. Yeah, this is a real countryside. Yeah, so look at this view, guys. We're still walking. Yeah, and I'm told we will soon arrive there. Yeah. Wow, guys, look at that view. Mamma mia. I can't believe it. What a beautiful day. A beautiful adventure. Yeah. I'm trekking 5 kilometers to Villarbasse, and I hope you're enjoying this view. This place looks like a countryside. Yeah, I'm so these nearby towns, there must be villages, not town anyway. Yeah. Guys, let's keep walking. And so in the next 30 minutes I will be there. In the next 30 minutes, yeah. Because I'm walking extremely fast. Wow. This is another beautiful experience, guys. A beautiful adventure. I can sense it. Villarbasse. We're heading to Villarbasse in few minutes. Yeah. In 30 minutes, we will be there. So guys, it's Adventures with Rivoli. Those of you watching me, I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'll be showing you a lot of beautiful things, yeah? I'll be visiting places in Italy that you're not even familiar to. So we're all gonna discover some beautiful places in Italy. It's gonna be a crazy adventure, a crazy summer adventure. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. So guys, you see, this is how Italian maize are. Like, actually they don't harvest it until when it get dry. Yeah, that's the time that they harvest it. In my country it is different, yeah? Like at this stage, it's supposed to be harvested at this stage, yeah, because mostly we roast it. Yes, but here it is different. They let it to get dried, and when it get dried, then they would harvest it. Yeah. So guys, let's keep walking. It's Adventures with Rivoli. So guys, it's Adventures with Rivoli. We're still walking now. I have 25 minutes. Meaning in 25 minutes I will get there. So let me check how many kilometers left. We have 1.7 kilometers. So 1.7 kilometers in 23 to 24 minutes. I should be there. Yeah. So guys, this is such a beautiful adventure. The weather today is really good. It's not sunny, and you can see it is gloomy. The weather is gloomy today, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying this beautiful adventure. I can't wait to reach Villarbasse. Yeah. So it's not really easy, yeah? Walking for up to 5 kilometers, you know. It's not easy. But we're gonna get there soon. Yeah, and I'm gonna give you some explanation about the village. It's a village. I'm not sure it's a town. It's a village. Yeah. It has a very important history that I will discuss with you. So for the meantime, let me concentrate and also control the Google mapping so I will not use the wrong direction. Wow guys, look at this beautiful view. Yeah, I think this arrow is heading to Borgata Roncaglia. Yeah, I don't know whether that's a village or so. We're heading to this other side. I hope you can see this view, guys. Wow, looks amazing. So this is the side that we're heading to. Wow, that looks like a church. It looks like a church. Beautiful. Guys, so we almost are in Villarbasse. Yeah, so it looks really beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this amazing view. No doubt this is one of my best adventures. Look at this view, guys. Oh, this is a real countryside. Look at the mountains. Ooh, Wow. Wow, guys. What a beautiful day. I can't believe it, man. I'm really enjoying this moment. It's beautiful, yeah. Such a beautiful view here. Look at it. What a nice village. Wow. Mamma mia, finally. Ooh. Let me take you a little bit walk. Let's explore this town. Wow. Guys, I feel like I'm totally in a new place, to be honest. I really feel like I'm totally in a new place. Like, the reality is, ooh, I'm not used to this kind of views within Piemonte region. I'm not really used to. I've actually traveled to a lot of villages, towns, but I'm not used to this kind of view. So I'm like, wow, I'm just in a new place. That's how I feel. I'm just like, wow, I'm just in a new place. Look at these guys. Wow, what a beautiful village. What a beautiful village, guys. Whoa. Ciao.
Ciao.
Scusi, un chilo di questa frutta.
Sì,
costa-
vengono 2 euro le
Due-
pesche
2 euro
al chilo, sì.
al chilo, ok, va
Un
bene.
chilo?
Un chilo, sì.
Sì. E poi volevi altro?
Va bene.
Va bene
Forse
così?
sì.
2 euro. E grazie.
Grazie a te, ciao. So guys, I bought some fruits. Ah, mamma mia. I'm using Italian. I bought some fruits. Yeah, so I'm going home with this. Yeah, and it cost me 2 euro, you know. Not very bad. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it cost me 2 euro.